friends! Welcome to the beach. Let's draw a red excavator.
Red is so bright. It's perfect for our machine.
Wow! Look! A real red excavator on the sand!
Look at that! Monkey Bandit is driving the excavator away! Stop him!
Oh no! The sandcastles are destroyed! Stop, Monkey Bandit!
This is Sector Charlie. We have a confirmed breach at the coastline. Scramble all available units now.
Paint Girl.
We need help. Someone is destroying the beach with an excavator.
An excavator.
I see him. He's heading to the water. Magic brush! Help me stop that excavator!
Eh? Gotcha! You can't escape now, Monkey Bandit!
You must write your apology and say sorry to the Coast Guard. Let's clean the beach together. Good job, Monkey Bandit. Keep the beach clean.
Thank you, Busy Vehicles kids. Our beach is safe and clean.
Drawing and protecting our world is fun. Be nice. Nice. Did you enjoy our beach adventure? Hit like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids for more magic. Bye-bye!